I'm going to show you how we took this customer, his wife's credit score from a 556, we took it up to 700. So I'm going to show you how it all took place. So she was at a 556, took her to 730 days. It's called the authorized user method, but we reversed it. So I'm going to show you how this takes place. So this is the credit score factors. You have payment history, you have 30% as amount owed, credit history is 15%, new credit is 10%, types of credit is 10%. So authorized user method, I would say it affects this 30% bracket on the pie chart, your credit history, and it also affects types of credit. So I'm going to show you how we actually did this for this customer in 30 days. She had 4 credit cards. These are the limits and these are the balances on each card, and this is the utilization. This is what percentage of the card she is utilizing. If you notice on this first card, the Chase card, limit was $5,000. She was using $5,000, 100% utilization. A Bank of America card, she had limit of $10,000. She was using $10,000, 100% utilization. Discover was $1,000. She was using $300, 30% utilization. Macy's card, $1,000 limit, was using $200. That's a 20% utilization. They're wanting to get a house. So one real important thing is they have about $20,000 they can put down, they have available. What a lot of people would do is they would take that amount of money and they would go pay their debt off. And then they would have nothing to put down. So say she took $20,000 and she took $15,000 of it and paid off that debt and this debt. The $15,000, she'd have $5,000 left. There wouldn't be much down payment money left. This is a trick that she used to an authorized user method. We actually disputed the accounts the proper way, and we was able to get these 2 accounts removed from her credit. No longer did this 100% utilization affect her, nor did this one. These whole debts were removed from her credit report because we removed the authorization. So all that she had left was these 2 cards reporting, and the utilization was only 20% and 30%. Doing that method, it was actually able to raise the credit score from a 565 to 700. One important factor is these cards have been around for like 5 to 7 years. So that was actually the credit history was at 15%, and we knocked down the amount owed because the utilization is only 30% on that one and 20%. So we removed 2 of the big cards that had big balances and they were utilizing a lot of their credit. They're able to take that $20,000 and put it down on the home and have that available. So they're able to keep all their money, raise their credit scores in 30 days. This is called the authorization piggyback reverse method. So if you could go and hit subscribe, hit the notification button, you'll get more notifications. Leave any comments, any more content you'd like to see in the future, and we'll bring that to you and explain more of the pie chart. There's a lot of details in this pie chart, every part of your credit affects. So in the future, we'll explain more of these factors and different tips and tricks you can do that'll raise your credit score. We'll catch you in the future videos.